How to create custom bingo cards in Canva. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to be on your Canva application. Now the next thing you would like to do is to head over to the search bar, and then guys, you're going to be typing bingo cards. We are creating a custom bingo card, and what you want to do is to scroll over to where you see create blank and tap on it, and by so doing you get the accurate measurement of what a bingo card should be like. And now the next thing you should do is to head over to the right hand side of your screen and click on apps. Now you want to head over to the search bar on apps, and then you'll be typing bingo, and the app we're searching for is called bingo cards, so just tap on it. So this is what the bingo card app that you are looking for, this is what it looks like. So just tap on it, then go ahead and tap on open. Now what would you want your bingo cards attributed to? You can go ahead and type it in, but for me I'm going to be choosing Christmas. And here are the words it generated for me. You can see them. You can also go down and change your grid size. You can change it into any option there that you would like. And also guys, you have the liberty to change the amount of cards that you want, and also you can change the font. In case you don't like the font it's written in, you can change it. And when you are done, you simply just want to tap on create bingo cards. Now all you need to do is just to drag these cards into different pages. Now as you can see me dragging the first card into my first page, and I simply just adjusted the size so it suits the page. And guys, it is time to design the bingo cards. If you want them colorful, this is the actual time to do it. As you can see, I changed my page color. And guys, the next thing that I did is to add up my write-ups. So I added in a header, and then I went ahead to type in bingo on it. And this is me repositioning it to where I would like. I wanted this to be underlined, and so I added it. And the next thing that I did was to increase the font size. For me, the previous one was too small, and I didn't also like the font type, so I went ahead to change all this. And then I headed over to elements just to add a little light to this whole bingo card. It was looking too boring. And over here at elements, I selected a smiley face, and this is me just simply putting it in the position and adjusting everything on the bingo card so that it suits well. I also adjusted the size because it was looking too big for my bingo card. And then I headed back to my element, and this time I went on the search bar and I typed in Christmas. The bingo card was for Christmas, so I needed something to hint that. And then I went over to the graphics section of Christmas and I started searching for what I would like to be on this bingo card. And when I found it, I just simply added it to my page. And as you can see right now, it's covering the words on my card. So I wanted this particular element bigger, so I adjusted the size and positioned it exactly where I would want it to be on my bingo card. Went to the top of my screen and then reduced the transparency, and then it's sitting on top of my words, so I sent it backwards by clicking on the three dots, going over to layers, and then you want to click on send backwards. And guys, this is exactly how I want my bingo card. It's looking perfect to me. Now from our bingo card apps, we had 10 generated cards. So for all of them to have this design, all I need to do is to duplicate this particular page. Then I'll simply just delete the content on page 2, and then I'll go ahead to drag the card number 2's content on page 2, and went ahead to adjust the size so that it suits our page. And guys, you can go ahead and repeat the process for the remaining 8 bingo cards that was generated. And this is exactly how to create custom bingo cards in Canva. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.